Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with Sonic Electronics. Today we're looking at the all-new Belva BPS8RGB all-in-one weatherproof sound system. These are commonly used in like UTV, ATV, Powersport applications. Now, of course, they can pretty much be used in anything because they're just a pretty straightforward plug-and-play solution. So what do I mean by that? Well, these things really don't require a whole lot of effort for installation. Literally, you can install it two ways. You can plug in the cigarette lighter to your power source, or it comes with the hardwired adapter that's included with it. This is an 8-inch version, also available in a 6. This particular one is 300 watts RMS, so 150 per side. RGB illumination. Of course, like I said, 8-inch, 1-inch titanium dome tweeters. So this thing actually gets pretty loud. Of course, it comes with 4 heavy-duty mounting straps, but the amplifier is built in. Bluetooth built in, so all you literally have to do is plug it in, pair your phone, you're good to go. Now, of course, if you're actually looking for a wired connection, it does also support a 3.5 millimeter aux input as well. So whether you want to put this on a motorcycle, UTV, ATV, or you want to do it, use it for tailgating, it's a great all-in-one solution. But more importantly, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, show you the RGB lighting, and of course give you a demo so you can see how it sounds. All right, so we went ahead and plugged it in. Simple install, like I said. Now, of course, it includes the RGB remote, and that allows you to control the lights. As you can see, it's doing one of its modes here. You can speed it up, speed it down, so you can go faster or slower. You could have a static red color, so you can have variable illumination. You can do whatever you want with it. It's got multiple different modes, so it's really cool. You can tailor it exactly to your liking or whatever color you like as well. But more importantly, let's go ahead. We've already got our phone paired. Let's hit play and let's let you hear a demo of it. All right, as you can see, this thing gets pretty loud. It's actually really crisp and clear, and it has some great bass. Now, of course, this one is louder than the 6.5-inch model, but the 6.5-inch model also performed really well. Of course, this one has more power, bigger drivers, so I kind of expected it to actually be louder. But for more information on this, make sure you check out the link below. Now, of course, make sure you like, subscribe, and share our videos. I'm Alan with Sonic Electronics. I'll see you next time.